Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar US dollar for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. Okay. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So another sideways market or a range bound market. As we all know, most of the currency pairs or major currency pairs are in a sideways market right now, and you can see that after this big sharp fall, okay, market is in range. Okay, so that's a bad news because since yesterday things are very boring with the market. Okay, because few pairs like USD JPY or GBP JPY, Euro JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen, all were in beautiful uptrend till last week. But things have changed this week, and things are very dull. Okay, very dull this weekend. Not much volatility. Okay. Anyways, we were talking about Australian dollar, US dollar. So what should we do then? You can see that I have drawn two lines here. Okay, this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, so first of all, I would like to mention that until and unless market crosses either the resistance level or support level, we are not going to get a clear picture or a different picture. Okay, market will be in a range until and unless market is trading between these two lines, 7849 and 7626. Market will be in a range. Okay, so when market will be in a range, okay, we can look for two opportunities. Okay, so right now you can see that market is trading at 0.7687. Okay, so let's wait for the market to come down to the support level 7626. When market will be in support level, just observe the price, understand the market psychology. If you see that price is about to reverse or bounce from the support, okay, and if you see a candlestick pattern like this, a hammer kind of a pattern, or a bullish engulfing pattern like this, or a big green candle like this, then that is your confirmation that yes, price is about to reverse. Okay, in that case you can easily buy above this line, above the support level. On the other hand, if market crosses the level or crosses the support, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just see how the price is doing. If after 3 to 4 hours you see that price is still, or market is still trading comfortably below the support level, then that is the indication that yes, the support has become the resistance now. Okay, in that case you can short the market below this line. Okay, so and the other opportunity will be near the resistance 0.7849 level. When market will be going up, okay, just observe the price near the resistance. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, then it will be an indication that sellers are present in the market who are not allowing the market to cross this particular level. Okay, and if you see candlestick pattern like this, shooting star kind of a pattern, or a price rejection from above, then you can short the market below the resistance. And in case market crosses this level, okay, crosses the resistance, then again wait for 3 to 4 hours, because confirmation is very much essential. Wait for 3 to 4 hours, and if you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is still trading comfortably, then it will be clear to us that yes, resistance has become the support now. Okay, and then you can go for a buy. Okay, otherwise, if market stays in a range, then short term market here, buy here. Okay, this is the simple strategy that you can follow for Australian dollar, US dollar, as long as it is trading in a range. Okay, so hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, and do check out the playlist for other currency pairs. So, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good luck.